Are you looking to get your point of sale connected to your website so that your prices and inventory flow up to your website along with merchandising that product information for the web through New Media Retailer's Dynamic Catalyst program? Great, you're in the right spot. Today we're going to talk about which point of sale systems we have supported and built integrations with to ensure that seamless delivery of your product information that's relevant to your customers directly to your website. And these automatic feeds already exist. And if you're considering New Media Retailer or you're working with us already and started at a place where you were on a manual feed before, and you're wondering whether your point of sale has had a connection built, great. We're going to run through all of the ones we connect with currently. And then if we don't have a connection for your point of sale, Francesca and I are going to walk you through what exactly you should do to get to a place where your point of sale system is connected to our system to make your life more streamlined and easier. And what really matters is making sure that your customers can see those products, because that's what drives them in the store. Let's make it easiest on your customers, and we'll talk about just how to do that. First, let's go through the point of sale systems so you have a good sense of whether or not yours has an existing connection. Okay, I'm gonna run through this list and you'll see the websites come up as I go. First is Counterpoint. We have a one-way integration with that, meaning that products go up to it. We also have Dart's Point of Sale by Compware as a number 2, and that also offers a two-way connection, meaning product information flowing up and orders flowing back down into your point of sale if you want to set that up. Number 3 is Epicor. We have both a one-way and two-way integration possible. And I should pause here. A one-way integration means we pull it up to your website. Two-way integration means if you're doing e-commerce, orders and inventory changes come back down into the point of sale. If there's only a one-way integration, you do have to remember to input the inventory deduction into your point of sale system. Number 4 is Integra. Again, both a one-way and two-way integration is available. Number 5, LightSpeed. We have both a one-way and two-way integration possible. Number 6 is Merchant Ag, which we again have a one-way integration. Number 7 is Osprey. One-way integration is available here. Number 9 is Paladin. We have a great one-way integration and many customers on this point of sale system. Next up, we have Pinergy, where there's also a one-way integration. We also have Retail Edge, which offers a one-way integration. Retail Automation, again, another one-way integration. Retail Pro, which offers both a one-way and two-way integration. And Shopify Point of Sale, which is a two-way integration. Next up, we have Square. So if you're on Square, you can look forward to a one-way integration there. Transact has a one-way integration as well. And finally, we have Vend, which offers both a one-way and two-way integration with our system. Now, if you heard your point of sale listed there and you know that you have not set up an automatic integration yet, contact your marketing specialist. They'll help move that project forward to get the automatic connection made and move you from a manual upload into an automatic system. Now, if you didn't hear your point of sale system there, here's the great news. We are more than willing and excited to build integrations to your system. But the big blocker is often motivating the point of sale system to move in this direction with us, because in order to build an integration, we have to make our software talk to their software. We need their help.
So the first step that we would recommend is reach out to your contact at your point of sale company. Try to find out who that great technical contact might be. If you're able to collect that information, go ahead and pass it along to your marketing specialist. They'd be happy to set up an introduction and reach out to your point of sale company to see if there is a possibility for us to work together to provide an integration to stores like you.
Once you've made that introduction to your marketing specialist, give them a chance to set up the call. Usually we'd like to include you in that call. If it turns into a really technical call that they're ready to just get going building with us, we'll just keep you updated on that process. However, sometimes it doesn't go as smooth as that. So let's talk about what to do.
The reality is that a lot of point of sale companies are really busy, and sometimes that can lead to delays in the project. We would love your help. Keep reaching out to your point of sale company and keep stressing the urgency to get this integration available for your stores like you.
Here's the reality. Your point of sale company is going to be most motivated when they understand it's going to help meet your needs. Us as a company, we don't have the leverage that you have with your point of sale company as their customer. And sometimes they won't feel necessarily the sense of urgency that you know and we know is important to helping your business grow. So your encouragement with your point of sale company is essential in ensuring that they get on the phone with us and commit to working on the project and timeline with us to build the integration for you. Here's the other thing to know. We build this integration free of charge to you as long as we recognize that this point of sale system is used in the industry by at least a few other customers like yourselves. As long as that's the case, which it is most of the time, we're happy to offer this integration build free of charge. We're going to do this complex software integration without charging you anything, because then we want to make it available to other great stores just like you around the country who are using it. But I do want to mention, if you are on a point of sale that is homemade, small, regional, and probably not something that many others like yourself in your industry are using for whatever reason, or it could be an old program that's no longer supported or built locally. In those instances, we may charge a custom fee for proceeding with an integration build. We'll quote you that up front. Now, for many of you, this is not going to be the case at all, because you're probably using an industry standard point of sale. It's just about mobilizing them for that project. The other thing I want to note is that these projects do take time, because we actually have to have developers on both ends connect something known as APIs, which is the ways that software talk to each other, and make that connection so that your point of sale software talks to your website software, and you'll be all set moving forward with an integration. That's it for today. Thanks again for choosing New Media Retailer. We're taking every step we can to make your life easier, more efficient, and streamlined. That's why your point of sale connection is so important to us, and we're invested in doing this the right way for your business, because guess what? It all comes back to the customer, and we know your customers want to see those products on the website. We know that when they search in Google, they search for products near them, and we want you to show up, show them the inventory, the great price, the great representation of your business, and get them in the door to become customers for life for your business. Thanks so much for joining me. We have more great videos coming up about how to market your business effectively, and strategies that we've seen applied and effective for stores just like you in your industry. So stay tuned, hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for joining us, and we will catch you in the next New Media Retailer tutorial video.